How to sign out of YouTube app from Android. If you are logged into your Android device with a Google account, you will not find any logout button on YouTube. So what can you do? If you wish to check YouTube without being logged, you can tap on the icon of your profile. YouTube will not allow you to log out, but you will be able to do something else. There is an option called Turn on Incognito. If you tap on this option, Google will not keep any of the information you did. It will not hold any search or any video you watched. Also, how you can see, I do not get any video from my channel on the homepage of YouTube. This way, YouTube will not keep track of your actions. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.